Complete lifetime analysis on Reliance Industries stock. All-time high 3298, all-time low 98. Price as on 3/7/20 1787.90. 52-week high 1840.95. 52-week low 867.43. With a long-term view in mind, Reliance stock is holding its rate above 50% of its all-time high of 3298, which is 1649 rupees. In short, it means that the market is willing to offer it a price above 50% of its highest achieved rate of 3298. Now, considering the life low of 98, the stock is currently trading at a price which is more than 18 times its low price of 98, which translates to 1764. And now, as we can see it, it is attempting to even break 1800 levels. The company has given bonuses in the past. Details given below. 13/9/97 1:1, 7/10/2009 1:1, 21/7/2017 1:1. Current market capital is 1252,158.41 crore. EPS consolidated 58.20. Dividend yield 65%. It is trading at a PE of 31.82 consolidated basis. Book value 760.81. Face value ₹10. The beta is 1.09, which means it trades in tandem with the Nifty index. The price to book value is 2.43, which is fair. Daily volumes look good. Today 21,698,149. Today delivery percent of volume is 25.18%. Today block deal on NSE is seen, quantity 32638 at a price of 1797.25 of value 5.87 crores. One more block deal is noticed today at the rate of 1800.55 of quantity 33355 shares, of which the value is 6 crore, time 9:29 am. One more thing to notice is that the market capital of the company has surged by 3.9 lakh crores in the last 11 weeks, and the analysts are of the belief that the target price of the stock is seen at rupees 2000 by December this year. Reliance stock returns in comparison with Nifty over different time periods are as follows. 5-year period Nifty return 25.43%. Reliance returns 260.09%. 1-year period Nifty returns -6.54%. Reliance returns 43.7%. Year to date Nifty returns -12.07%. Reliance returns 19.81%. 6-month returns Nifty returns -11.59%. Reliance returns 18.83%. 3 months Nifty returns 18.52%. Reliance returns 50.78%. Taking into account all the returns comparison of Reliance with Nifty, it is clearly visible that Reliance is delivering better returns than Nifty, both in long term and short term as well. In fact, the shorter term it is running way ahead of the markets, suggesting that if the markets are to perform, Reliance would definitely be the leader on the frontier. One more crucial thing to observe is the numbers 1597 and 2584. The Fibonacci ratio number 23.6% of the difference between these two numbers added to 1597 becomes 1829.93, and the Fibonacci number 38.2% added to 1597 becomes 1974.03, and the average of 1597 plus 2584 is 2090.50. It means if Reliance stock manages to hold 1830 for a few sessions, it can very well move ahead to 1974, a place of minor resistance, breaking which can easily bank the doors of 2000 to 2100 levels. It may or may not take much time, but the hopes are seemingly happening if all other market factors and sentiments were to stay positive for the markets in general. Note, the article was prepared on 5/7/2020 but posted with delay due to some issues. So date to consider wherever written today dates to be treated as 3/7/2020. Disclaimer, all things written are as per charts and available data on different websites. It is merely my view and study on Reliance's stock and is by no means my recommendation to buy or sell the stock. Take any necessary action by one's own research and risks. I hold no responsibility whatsoever. Thank you. Naresh Jain. Errors and omissions accepted.